Hi guys, I'm Sonika. Today I have checked into a new place for photography, the Hanging Gardens of Mumbai. So let's see which birds and insects we meet today.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel. It's all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography vlogs and tutorials every Wednesday, guys. So if you want new photography related stuff every Wednesday from me, please consider subscribing. And today I have checked into the Hanging Gardens of Mumbai. Hanging Gardens are terrace gardens that are located on top of the Malabar Hill in Mumbai. It's very pretty with flowers and trees, and we're gonna try to do some macro and bird photography today. And if we get time, we'll also go to the Kamala Nehru Park, which is right opposite to this garden. So let's see how our day goes.
Hanging Gardens or PMG. PMG is Firoz Shah Mehta Gardens. So this garden is a pre-1900s garden. So why this garden was built was actually it was built to protect one of Bombay's largest water tanks from pollution. And this was named after one of the renowned Parsis or Gujarati, I'm not pretty sure, called Firoz Shah Mehta. So what I have learned is somewhere in the garden in the center there is PMG written, but you can only see it if you are high up in the air, like in an aerial view you can see PMG. So here our primary focus again in terms of birds will be like you mentioned, sunbirds, golden orioles, we'll see black kites, couple of macro also will be focusing on, especially butterflies. So we'll start the walk.
We have different hedges here in the shape of various animals. We've just spotted so many birds on that tree. Now we have come to Kamala Nehru Park, which is located right opposite to Hanging Gardens. Let's go ahead for a beautiful view of the Arabian Sea. So guys, I had a lot of fun today and I clicked so many pictures, and if you liked my vlog, give me a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you wanna watch next on my channel. Share this video with your photography friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous photography vlog. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.